So this is actually a common problem you could run into with doing the Puzzle Cube project. So here we are in Onshape. We're trying to create this red shape to the right here. So I've got most of it created already, but the problem is we try to do this little area right in here, and we just can't make that connect. Onshape gives us some errors. And if we take a look at the actual physical shape, there's a lack of support right there, right? That's not really fully touching. That's what Onshape is referring to as the manifold. Here's what I mean. We take this, and what we're trying to do is we're trying to create some blocks coming up off of this. So we'll go ahead and create that. So I'll click sketch and go right here and in for normal. And I'll go ahead and click the rectangle because I know I want to draw this up from here. And then I'll shift E for extrude. Let me rotate that a bit so you can see what's happening here, right? That's causing a problem. So what we have to do is kind of adjust some things here to make this work. Because right here, coming off of this piece right in here, there's not a problem there. The problem comes with right in here, this little line where it's intersecting or kind of has a corner edge. They're not really in contact with each other. Let me show you the best way I've found to fix stuff like this. One alternative is just simply not to use that piece, but I think we can agree that's not a very good alternative. So I'm going to hit Shift E, and I'm going to just extrude this bottom piece, make it go 1 inch. I can go ahead and add that. I know that's not quite where we want to be just yet, but hang tight. So now I'm going to go back into Sketch. I think I'll just, I'll go right on top of this piece and press N. So I know that this piece, I need this to be just a little bit longer in this direction. So I had to cheat a little bit. So I've got it 1 inch this way, which is perfect. I'll go ahead and press enter to go to the other side. But this time I'll say, let's make that 1.001. So it's just slightly in there. So now when I go to shift extrude that, it's going to allow that to happen. Let me make sure I'm still on add. But what's happened here, and if we've got to zoom in really tight to see it, but we essentially created a wedge. See, we're just slightly over. So 1.001. Now when you go in and put that together in an assembly, that's going to be hardly noticeable.